Carolyn Foster's workshop using a jelly roll to create her woven look really inspired me. So I popped home and picked out some purple and turquoise options, and these are a few of the blocks that are left over. I took my colours and I've kind of gone green through to blue in this direction. And in my head, I thought I could use my other favourite colour, which is purple. And then all of a sudden, I think, for me, that starts to be very effective. So we're going to put a yellow one in here. They're only a for instance at this stage. And I've got a red one, I've got a yellow one in here, so I probably need another one, red one in here. I've got them together in rows, and you can see that they are blues going and greens going vertically, and reds and yellows going horizontally.